Ready, Mama?
Okay, ready?
Go. Why is this chair so messed up? Who sits in this? I need you to buy socks.
You have a lot of socks? What kind?
All of them are long. Like, I want the shorter socks. Short one. I need a bunch more of those. Because I don't know why, but I
don't know what kind you want.
Just regular black, small, short socks.
Because you don't want to go shopping. If you go shopping,
fine,
you can choose.
I'll go shopping on Monday.
It's like
I have work every day.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, I love you.
Okay, so we just dropped off my kids, and there's a big storm coming up. Oh dear! Wow, that is really big. It's so dark. See outside? It's so dark outside. So I wonder if I will go buy. Oh, I might just go buy something at the grocery store. I better go home. I better go home, guys, and let's play mahjong. There's a very heavy rain na nagpass lang siya, guys. I don't know if I'm going to go to the store or just go home. Oh dear. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, okay, guys. Thank you for watching. We're home now. Guys, coming back. Napakalakas ng ulan. Oh dear. Napakalakas ng ulan. So, ginagawa ni Mommy, padahan-dahan lang siya. At least, itong sasakyan ko, guys, is 4 wheels drive. So, wala siyang problema pag ganyan na hydroplaning, di ba? So, safety si Mommy. Nasa tabi lang ako. Dapat sa second lane ako. But, dito ako, pumwesto na ako sa tabi. Otherwise, pag ikot ko, may problema. O, di ba? Pag ganyan may ulan, you have to be very careful. Drive slowly. If hindi 4 wheels drive ang sasakyan ninyo, so you have to be very careful dahil sa hydroplating. Itong mga sports SUV ay 4 wheels drive na siya. So wala siyang problema. Very heavy siya. And then if 4 wheels drive mo siya, magkankan yan siya, di ba? So magamit ang lahat ng wheels. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Salamat sa pag-watch and subscribe. Huwag kalimutan. Okay, thanks. I love you. Bye-bye. Makita na diha. Hi guys, we're here at Landry's Seafood.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Grabe ang mukha ko. Tambok, oo. Nakauyab siya. Nakauyab. Nag-date siya diri, kauyab siya.
Wala, oy.
Gibasted si Carmela.
Gibasted ko sa ka-date. Maraming excuses. Sabi ko, wag na. Ako na lang mag-isa.
Guwapa ra mo, sayang. Ayun ka, guwapa pa. Sorry guys, voice over tayo dahil there's some music in the background. I don't want to be copyrighted. So this is my friend. She's Carmi. And we are at Landry's right now. Landry's is a restaurant that serve a lot of seafood. So we tried it here. So, cheers! Ayan, nakapangdalawa na siya. Mura na magkagulasing din. Look guys, I asked Carmi to show her rings. Look at that. Her fingers is full of rings. Napakadami siyang jewelry. And then, last 2020, umuwi kami na Pilipinas. I asked her to hide her jewelries. Oh, otherwise, madali ang guys. Madali ang diamante ko. Marab tayo dyan. So, ayan siya. Always smile dahil nakainom na yan.
Landry Seafood House in Katy.
Best food in town.
Best food in town. Yes.
Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Come and see me. My name is Jory.
Okay. Thank you, Joy.
Of course. Y'all enjoy those meals.
Thank you.
Of course, guys.
This is what we ordered. Napakalaking serving nila. They really have a big serving here at Landry's. I have my fried shrimps with onion and fries. And si Carmelite, she got crawfish with the rice. Crawfish itofi yata yun sa kanya. Ayan. And she told us that her late husband ordered this all the time if they go to Landry's. Oh, poor Carmelites. Now she's single, guys. Naghahanap ng manobyo. Hi guys, we're here at Landry's Seafood.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Oh dear. So, pahamak ni si kaibigan. Si Carmelites. Carmelites has a date and her date didn't come up. So, ako tuloy ang na-date ni Carmelites. Ayan, umuulan pa. Oh. I'm supposed to turn in there, but I have to just go straight to his timer. I have to go straight here, guys, dahil peaceful itong street na to. Peaceful siya. Ako lang, oh. Dalawang intersection na. Ako lang ang nag-drive. And it's 7 o'clock. Mostly, the street is busy during peak hours. Peak hours is like 5 to 6. Ganun, pauwi sa mga trabahante. Ayan, peak hour yan siya. Oh, I am home. I'm home at last. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe ni Mami. And thank you for watching. Bye! Hello everybody! Welcome back sa aking vlog. So, tonight guys, we are going to play table tennis para makaburn tayo ng kunting calories. Maybe 500. You can burn 500 calories. You think I can burn 500 calories? 250? 100? 50? What? 50 for 5 minutes? Well, it's not bad.
Oh, 5 minutes, even less.
Oh, great. It's even less. I will play tennis para makaburn tayo ng calories. So, at least guys, tingnan niyo chan ko, napakalaki. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Ayun yan, sumagot. Okay. I know how to do this. Oh, it's very light.
You want me to stop this so you can fast forward it?
Yeah, of course I can fast forward that.
So you're not taking an actual time lapse?
No, not time lapse. I'll just do the fast forward. It's just me, my face anyway. Oh, yes. Score. Yay. You'll be full fast. There. Yes! Yeah! Oh, this needle is really bad, you know? That's why they give me the one that's already open box. I should have known it. Yes! Oh yeah! Yes! No count. Ay. No count, guys. Just born counters. Just make that okay. Because I don't want to know if I lose. I know that I'm losing. So it's better not to count. No counting. Okay, go. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. And huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, okay? Bye!